Good morning. My name is Lady Yarin Cruz Herrera. I am 30 years old. I am a student of telecommunication engineering of the UNAP. I live in Bogota with my husband and my son. My favorite hobbies are to play football and go to movies. I want to tell you about the Bogota Film Festival. This event takes place in October and lasts 9 days. This festival started in 1984 in order to award new international filmmakers. In addition to screenings in various cinemas and theaters of the city. The contest also hosts workshops, exhibitions, conferences with experts. I invite two film lovers to participate in this great event in Bogota in which they could share our family. Thank you. Bye bye.